Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the month of January. So the kit that I'm going to be using is from Simply Smith Stickers. So this is what we have. I used these in the next page. I will show you in a second, with the date dots, the extra boxes, appointment labels, more appointment labels, and then the sidebar. So like I said, I did use some extras from the kit because I did use the weekly kit that matches this as well. So I just used the washi over here and then the dots here as well. So I'm going to speed up through the base. I am just going to lay this down, and the date dots, it takes forever and I don't think you want to sit here and watch me lay them down. So I am going to speed it up and then we will get started on the planning. Alright, so this is how the spread came out. So we're going to go ahead and just finish out our plans here. Oh my gosh, this washi or this whiteout tape is not good. Do not recommend. Alright, on the first, we are actually having a Christmas because my sister got COVID. She tested positive. So she only has these little appointment labels in it. So I went in my stash and I found this kit from Planner Kate. I have no idea what it's even from. SMC Personal. Don't know what that is. But I am just going to use this little box here just to mark that in. I think that would be cute. Always find a use for your stickers. I'm telling you, it'll be good. And then this is from the full kit that I used. I'm going to use this little box here just for marking New Year's. I don't have another one for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, but that's okay. So here is a sticker from Orange Umbrella Co. Just says New Year's Day. Put that in there like so. And then I'm just going to go ahead and write Mom's Christmas. And then that is it for that day. And then classes actually start. So my kids have been on Christmas break, and for some reason they don't go back Monday. They go back Tuesday. This also came with the full kit for the weekly spreads. So I am just going to use one of these since it matches. And I'm just going to put that here and then put a little school script so I know that they start school that day again. That actually fits perfectly. And then nothing the 5th, nothing the 6th. I don't think we have anything until the 10th. And that is going to be a basketball game. I'm just going to put it right in the middle. It's probably going to be crooked, but that's fine. That is going to be, I'm going to shut this, too big of a space. That is going to be a basketball game for my oldest son. So this is also from Orange Umbrella Co. It just says basketball game. So we're going to put that there and then put 5:30. And then his next game is on the 13th. So we will do that again. Now I don't have Kaysen's. Oh, that's wrong. I don't have Kaysen's schedule, but I think his games don't start till February. So we are good there. And all of his games, I'm pretty sure, will be on the weekend. So that is fine. So the game on the 13th is also at 5:30. And then on the 14th, I wonder if I can use another one of those. Where did it go? Okay, I just had it. There it is. Another one of these. So I have to pay tuition. I wonder if that's going to be too big. That's not terribly big. Another one of these for the 14th. Let's put it down a little bit because I do want to put payday in there. It's a little bit big, but that's fine. That is from Planner Kate. It's like her school mix. And then we have a game again on the 15th. Lots of basketball. And besides all these games, he has practice every day for 2 hours. So he is a busy boy. So on the 15th, it's at 9 o'clock. I'm pretty sure that's like a tournament. Not the tournament, but that's a tournament. And then we have one on the 17th as well. There. And I don't have, do I want to, these are too big, correct? That might work. Hang on, let's see if this will fit in there. Because I might use that instead. What color? Let's do this darker one. Okay, that'll work. Let's see if it actually fits. So I don't know if you have those sheets, but they fit in the monthly. I mean, not perfect, but pretty dang close. You can center it and it'll look fine. That'll work. Okay, let's put this down straight. So if you ever get an oops bag from Planner Kate or any other sticker store, just try to find a use for it. And this game is going to be at 5:30 as well. And then I don't think we have anything until the 26th here. Another game. And that one is going to be at 5:30 as well. And then the 27th is a game. Okay. And that is going to be at 6 o'clock. I'm pretty sure that is his last game for January. So let's do the side here. So I have this from the Daily Duo kits, and it has a birthday script. I like using these down here because I don't like to put birthdays in the spread itself because it kind of crams everything. So on the 2nd is my son's birthday, my middle child. And then on the 4th is my friend Grace. And then, hopefully you guys can see this, on the 6th is my friend Shanna. And then the 24th is my friend Shannon. And then on the 30th is my cousin's wife. Ugh, my handwriting. Awful. Just awful. And then here we are going to put Braden's practices. Or no, Kaysen's practices. Because Braden's are every day. So Kaysen's is going to be Tuesday from 7 to 8. And Thursday from 7 to 8. Okay, and then we have my dance fitness class that I teach. I'm going to put this down a little bit and use this one. So this is Tuesday from 6:30 to 7:15, and Thursday 6:30 to 7:15. So on the days that my husband does work, he is late for basketball practice. There's just no getting around it. I don't know anybody on his team, so I can't like carpool, but coach is fine with that. He's more experienced than the other kids on the team, so he's not too worried about it either. And then let's see, let's do Tuesday 5:30 to 6:15. So I do both of these classes. I don't teach one, I just teach my dance class, but I also go to this class. 5:30 to 6:15. There is that. And then I do want to take these little flags from Planner Kate. Again, I just got them from an Oops or a Misfit bag. And I just want to put in here our paydays. So I'm just going to use this darker blue color. It almost matches that one. And then I get paid every other week, and my husband gets paid on the off week. So we get paid every Friday. And I'm going to use this payday script from Simply Smith Stickers. Like so. And then I think that is it. I do know that my daughter has like a blue and white day on here, so maybe I will put that on a, ooh, maybe I'll do this. Do these come off? No, I ripped it. Okay, not bad. Let me find that sheet here, and we will do this like that. Just like the other one, and then I will use this to mark her, what day did I say that was? 27th? Yes, blue and white day. And this is just for my daughter's preschool. So she's supposed to wear blue and white and bring in like items that are blue and white. She's only 4. She's learning her colors and all the basic things. So I think that's it. Let me move all my crap here. So like I said, just a lot of baseball, or a lot of basketball. We're not in baseball yet. I don't even want to think about that. Last year's schedule was crazy. But lots of basketball. Like I said, I don't think Kaysen's basketball games start until February, so not too terrible. And like I said, all of this stuff is recurring, so we do that every week. But that is my spread for January. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.